Hi, I'm Federica. I have been studying here in H College the master's course in digital marketing and data analytics, and today I'm working in Volkswagen Group Italia as a product marketing analyst intern. I'm working in the marketing team. I am mainly a support to the product team, so the product managers, but I am also a link between the product and the communication sides of the team. And we are all working towards 4 new launches that we had this year of 4 new cars. So it's very exciting because everyone needs to be aligned on. Also, there is a very big creative part because we have to think of new events and new initiatives for these new cars. In HFAM College, I have been surrounded by a lot of innovation, and I've also seen a lot of uses of AI and machine learning. And now that I'm in the real world, in the job market, I'm seeing also in the work I do a lot of applications of these new technologies, and I will try to implement some of this using the knowledge I acquired here to make a contribution to my company.